Today I will be talking about lifestyle changes and foods to improve hormonal imbalance and menstrual pain in PCOS, that is polycystic ovary syndrome. We are seeing PCOS among a lot of young girls and working women. The two main features of PCOS are increase in androgens, that is a male hormone in women, which causes irregular menstrual cycles, and insulin resistance, wherein the body cells are not able to use glucose effectively, which is due to weight gain. Our modern lifestyle is a major contributing factor to PCOS. For PCOS treatment, women are put on oral contraceptives to balance hormones and metformin to improve insulin resistance. But the only way it helps is to subside the symptoms. Working on lifestyle changes can actually help to go off the medications while improving hormonal imbalance and regulating menstrual cycles. Eating healthy and losing weight is the best way to tackle this problem. Weight loss will improve insulin sensitivity and reduce androgens. Many a times lean women also go through this issue. Eating healthy will help anyways. Hormones are made from fat in your diet. Packaged foods mostly make use of palm oil, which is extremely unhealthy, and your hormones need good fat to be in balance. So, reduce the consumption of packaged foods. Coconut oil contains medium chain fatty acids which are easily digested and absorbed in the body. Coconut oil boosts a sluggish metabolism. People with PCOS, thyroid and other hormonal disorders should consider using cold pressed virgin coconut oil. If you do not like the taste of coconut oil in cooking, you can add a few drops in the morning warm water or any hot drink. If you don't even like that, you can consume a piece of dry coconut every day. Please do not use any refined vegetable oils. You can otherwise opt for filtered groundnut or mustard oil. Ghee is a healthy fat which helps to move the stubborn body fat. Also, including ghee will help with enlarged pores on the skin. Seed cycling is a practice of eating specific seeds in two phases of the menstrual cycle. So, from day 1 to 14 you consume flax seeds and pumpkin seeds, and from day 14 to the first day of your cycle you consume sesame and sunflower seeds. Seeds are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, zinc and selenium, and this is a gentle way to reduce PMS, boost fertility and stimulate menstruation if absent. Banana is excellent in PCOS. It helps to relieve menstrual cramps. Raw banana is even better. You can make raw banana cutlets or banana flour can be used. Ragi or nachni is a very good source of calcium, and calcium helps to prevent menstrual cramps. So, include it at least a week before and during your cycle. You can make a ragi porridge, ragi dosa or a ragi roti. Avoid milk as cows are injected with hormones which will make this worse. You can switch to almond or coconut milk. Root vegetables like sweet potato, suran, arbi are excellent to avoid PMS symptoms. They help with digestion and your cycle will be smooth if your digestion is smooth with no constipation. 10 soaked black raisins with 2 strands of kesar a week before your period will help you with a smooth cycle. Wearing glass bangles improves blood circulation, and there are some pressure points in the wrist which help to maintain hormonal balance. So women, please consider doing this. Stress has become a part of everyone's life, especially working women who have to take care of the house, kids as well as their work. So, all the men who are watching this video, please lend a helping hand. Stress can have a drastic impact on the hormone production. Yoga can help to relieve stress and prevent a painful period. So, make it a part of you. Exposure to blue light in the night affects sleep, and lack of sleep increases cortisol, which causes insulin resistance. So please make sure to switch off your gadgets at least 1 to 2 hours before you go to bed. Exercise will not only help to lose weight but also improve insulin sensitivity. It will regulate the menstrual cycles. 150 minutes of exercise is what you need. Estrogen mimicking xenoestrogens are found in cosmetics, plastics, house cleaning material and pesticides. Once they enter the body, they disrupt hormonal balance by causing confusion in our body on how much natural hormone needs to be produced. High estrogen lowers progesterone, causing fertility problems. Go for organic products and choose glass over plastic. There should be no other pill than the healthy lifestyle pill a part of you. So keep working on it. If you found this video informative, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.